Hi guys, this is Tim Queen and today I'm going to show you how to decode the LinkedIn algorithm for 2020 to get more leads for your business. Now, before we get started, I want to talk about the LinkedIn business model and how does LinkedIn make money. This is crucial for you understanding how the LinkedIn algorithm works because you understand the motivation of LinkedIn. Now, LinkedIn is making basically money from two different revenue sources. The first revenue source is premium accounts and the second revenue source is LinkedIn ads. Those are the two main ways how LinkedIn is earning money. Now, how can they make money? By selling premium accounts and selling ads? By having a user base. The LinkedIn premium account is only useful if you actually have users on the platform who are actively using it, who are logging in daily, who can be exposed in search results. If someone is looking for a recruiting account, they can find candidates. If a salesperson is looking for leads, they can get leads, but only if people actually use the platform. And the same is true for LinkedIn ads. Only if people are logging in, they can actually see ads on LinkedIn. If you are sitting at home on your couch watching Netflix, there is nothing LinkedIn can do. They're not going to make any money off you, even if you have 2 LinkedIn accounts or 3 LinkedIn accounts. Doesn't matter. Only once you're logging in into your LinkedIn account and you're scrolling the news feed and you're seeing an ad, then you make money for LinkedIn. And only then, when you actually log in and respond to some recruiter's message or some salesperson's message, only then they make money. So this is the foundation. If you understand this, the LinkedIn algorithm becomes easy to decode. Now, why don't they just only sell accounts and only sell ads? Well, the reason is that nobody would use the platform if they only sold premium accounts. Like, what would anyone want on the platform? There is nothing there. Do you want to go on Facebook and only watch 100% of your newsfeed having ads? No. There has to be another benefit of using the platform that is not to LinkedIn's advantage, that's to the user's advantage. So what is this specifically what LinkedIn is offering that is attracting users to join the platform? It's you. You are the commodity that LinkedIn is selling. If you're logging into the platform feed, now, how do they get the users to log in on LinkedIn? What is the secret weapon that is like attracting everyone to join in, to log in daily? It's the LinkedIn content platform. It's the news feed where people can communicate with each other through the medium of sharing social media posts, of sharing articles, sharing videos, sharing content. It's the communication platform, sending direct messages, communicating, chatting with each other. This is the main driver for LinkedIn to get people to log in, to motivate them to use the platform on a daily basis. And the more people using the platform, the more they will stick to the platform, the more loyal they become, the longer term customer they become. Now, here are the 5 things that LinkedIn is using to attract you to the platform. The first one is messages, communicating with others, chatting with others. The second one is the news feed, sharing, getting informed about what's happening, getting other people's opinion on current events, getting information, learning from other people. This is the news feed. Then the third thing is learning from other users, learning from the LinkedIn publishing platform if you're a premium user, learning from each other. Then the fourth thing is entertainment. Social media posts can entertain. They can take someone out from the boring office job. They can have a quick laugh, feel something in their boring day life. There is plenty of ways how you can entertain yourself by scrolling through LinkedIn, either by communicating or by consuming content on LinkedIn. And the last thing that LinkedIn is offering is opportunity. Opportunity to find a job and opportunity to find customers. Those are the 5 factors how LinkedIn is offering value to the user base. Now, the longer you stay on the platform, the more hours you log in every day, the more ads LinkedIn can show to you. And the more you use the platform, the more attractive the premium features become, because you will quickly run into limitations of how many messages you can send, how many profiles you can visit. If you're a power user, it becomes incredibly useful to transition from a basic account to a premium account. So by keeping the people on the platform longer and longer, LinkedIn will eventually make money from ads and from premium accounts. That's the reason why LinkedIn is allowing anyone to do anything on the platform in the first place, instead of just selling premium accounts and ads. Because without users who are actively having some benefit of using the platform, there would be no business model. Now here comes the secret to the LinkedIn algorithm. If you can help LinkedIn to keep users on the platform longer, they will make more money from them, meaning you have a positive influence on LinkedIn's business model. If your content can engage people to stay longer on the platform, to enjoy the platform more, if your messages can get people to engage, to log into their LinkedIn account more frequently, you are a positive contributor to LinkedIn's revenue. Now, if you understand this, it's very easy what you have to do in order to trigger the LinkedIn algorithm, because you just have to give LinkedIn what it wants. You just have to press the right button to tell them exactly that you are someone who is contributing to their revenue in a positive manner. You are a means to an end to LinkedIn. Now, today I'm going to share 3 buttons that you can press to trigger the LinkedIn algorithm. The first button that you can press is to optimize your LinkedIn profile. Add a nice picture of yourself, add a cover image, add a headline, fill out your description, add some sections to your work experience, to your education history, follow a couple of interests. This is indicating to LinkedIn that you are taking this seriously. And when people engage with you or communicate with you or read your content, they will eventually click on your LinkedIn profile. And only if they sense that this is a real person, they will continue to follow you and to take you seriously. So by optimizing your LinkedIn profile, you're setting the first cornerstone for the LinkedIn algorithm to treat you as a high-profile user who is contributing to the LinkedIn ecosystem. This is the same thing as if you want to sell a house that's completely empty to someone and then selling the house, but this time you putting all the furniture so people can actually imagine how it would be living inside that house. That's the equivalent of having a nice optimized LinkedIn profile. People can imagine who you are, how you could be, and you will get more engagement. The second button you want to trigger is content and engagement. If you can publish content on LinkedIn that is getting users engaged, then you are contributing to the time they spend on the platform. Every time they're watching a video of you, they're reading some text post, they're reading an article, they are using the platform. The more minutes they count in, the more stuff is appearing in their newsfeed, the more ads will show up. Every time LinkedIn is showing ads in your newsfeed, they make money. They're getting paid by impressions. So by you being able to find a type of content that is really helping LinkedIn to attract users which are targeted by ads and users who are interested in buying a premium account, you help LinkedIn to make more money, and LinkedIn will reward this. So if you can create engagement among the right group of people from which LinkedIn is making the most amount of money, you will get ranked higher by the LinkedIn algorithm. And the last factor, the third factor that you have to build into your LinkedIn strategy is you have to connect, to follow, and to use the messaging platform. So if you can encourage people as a direct reaction to you, to follow you, to connect with you, to send you messages, you're also contributing to the factor that people are using the platform. The more they use it, the more useful the platform becomes for them. The more active they are, the more likely they are to switch to a premium account and to log in daily, which means in turn more ad revenue for LinkedIn. So those are 3 important steps that you can take today to trigger the LinkedIn algorithm to get more engagement for your content. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about the LinkedIn algorithm and which aspect did surprise you the most? And make sure that you subscribe for more videos on LinkedIn marketing that actually work.